Students, there are three kinds of non-finite verb phrase: infinitive phrase, gerund phrase, and participle phrase. So here comes first infinitive phrase. An infinitive phrase is a group of words that begins with an infinitive and function as a noun, adjective, or adverb. Infinitive, to plus verb, basic form or first form with modifier. So here are three examples I have given you as a noun. She likes to play football. To, using with play, basic form, first form with modifier. And this group of word is working as a noun in this sentence. So this is an infinitive phrase. To play football. In second example, I want to write a poem. If I say I want to write, only I want to write. So here is an infinitive working with verb first form. So this is an infinitive, but here a poem is working as a modifier. So to write a poem is an infinitive phrase working as a noun. To dance for competition is her hobby. Here to dance for competition. To with verb first form plus modifier and working as a noun in this sentence. So this is an infinitive phrase. Now, as an adjective, I have no time to eat breakfast. Here time is a noun and to eat, to with verb basic form plus modifier. To eat breakfast is describing about this noun. So this group of word is a infinitive phrase working as an adjective. There are some questions to solve in the class. Here question is a noun, to solve in the class. To with verb basic form with modifier in the class. So this group of word is working as an adjective of this noun and this is an infinitive phrase. To with verb first form with modifier. This is the structure of infinitive phrase. As an adverb, she reads to gain knowledge. Here reads is a verb. To infinitive with verb basic form plus modifier. To gain knowledge is a group of word working as an adverb. So this is an infinitive phrase. To swim in the sea may be dangerous. Here to verb basic form in the sea modifier and this is a group of word which is an infinitive phrase working as an adverb. Now, gerund phrase. A gerund phrase is a phrase that consists of a gerund, its object, and any modifier. It functions as a noun. So, here is an example. The captain was upset with his team for the bad fielding. Here, fielding, ing form, working as an object means a noun. So, this group of word is a gerund. Taking my dog for a walk is fun. Here, take with ing form, taking my dog for a walk. Modify using with verb gerund ing. So this group of word is a gerund phrase working as a noun. Singing for charity is his hobby. Sing is a verb using with ing form. Singing for charity is a modifier of this verb. So this group of word is a gerund phrase working as a noun. Now, participle phrase. A participle phrase is a phrase that looks like a verb but actually functions like an adjective. Participle phrase consists of a present means ing form, past or perfect participle means verb third form. It ends with ed, en, d, t or n. So here are some examples to clear the topic. I talk a man standing over there. Here standing is a verb. Standing is a verb but here function as an adjective of this noun. A man is standing over there. So this group of word is a participle phrase, present participle phrase. Here is an ing form. This is present form. I watched the movie released last week. Here released ed. This is the third form of the verb. Released last week. Here release is a verb but here functioning as an adjective of the movie. So this is a participle phrase. She cleaned up the milk spilled on the table. Here spilled on the table talking about the milk. Spill is a verb. Here ed form is there, so this is a past participle phrase. Walking down the street I saw a tree. Here walking is an ing form here, so this is a present participle phrase. Now the last one is prepositional phrase. A prepositional phrase is one which begins with the preposition and consists of a noun or a noun group. Main preposition with noun or pronoun, preposition with modifier plus noun pronoun. This is a prepositional phrase. So here are some examples. A dog in the room is ours. Here in the room, this is a preposition and the room is modifier. So this group of word is a prepositional phrase. In second example, she hit them with a stick. With is a preposition. You have read about this. A stick is a modifier. So with a stick is a prepositional phrase. We are on is a preposition, and the way is a modifier of the preposition. So this group of word is also a prepositional phrase. We are on the way to Delhi. Here he loves to travel around the world. Here around is a preposition, around the world. This group of word is a prepositional phrase. I hope students you all have understand what I have taught you.